Sebastian, where's your happy face? Yeah. Where's your sad face? Sad face? Where's your mad face?
Daddy.
How does that sound like Daddy? I know you miss Daddy, don't you? Where's your mad face? Show me your mad face. And your silly face? A ver, saca la mano de la boca. Okay, try again. One more time, okay? Where's your happy face? No, happy. Happy. Sad. Mad. Where's your mad face? Let me see your mad face. Let me see your mad face. And your silly face? And most of the time we see what? Your happy face, right? A ver. ¿Dónde está la cara feliz? Ahí está, feliz. ¿Y triste? Y enojado. Silly? Gracioso? Muy bien. See you later. A big boy eating yogurt all by himself, huh? That's a silly face too, isn't it? My darling. Payaso.